Hi guys, so this video will talk about text to column feature which we have in our Excel, and if you haven't watched my previous video on the text to column, then just go to my playlist. I'll just show you. Go to my playlist, and over here under this Excel video link, click on this link and you'll see all the videos which are related to Excel videos, and that's the video number 2, which is text to column piece special. Watch this video. It actually talks about the text to column, what exactly it can do. It can do actually wonder to if you want your data to be neat and clean, and you want that all the spaces, unwanted spaces or hashes, or whatever the special characters you have which are acting there as a junky material, so how you can actually get rid of it. So this video talks about that, right? So that's a video number 2. You can watch that, and I'm gonna upload this video now. This is going to be my video number 63, and of course this will again now talk about the text to column feature, and not the same video of course, but this has something again a very interesting, and I before I upload the video, I just want to actually thank to my student who actually come up with this you know kind of a jumble. The issue was this, that he was trying to paste this data. He has some data in the MS Word, and he came up with this question that he's not able to paste this data in Excel in a correct way, that with no spaces, and everything has to be very properly structured and neat and clean. So I'll just show you what exactly he means. So we worked on it, and I really liked this option so much that I thought, why not to go ahead and upload the video as I usually do. So this time again, because of you people, because of you guys who keeps coming with these tricky things, and help me in actually expanding my YouTube channel. And of course, with this so many awesome videos, now 60 videos are there, and I hope that whenever you watch, because I day by day I'm getting a lot of viewership and a lot of subscribers, and so it clearly shows that the videos are actually liked by you people, and so much thankful to it. So let's go ahead and let's see what exactly we have to do. So I'm just copying this data, right, from the MS Word. That's my MS Word application, and I'm gonna copy it here. Maybe I can copy it. Yeah, so I can copy it here. So now what exactly is happening when he's trying to copy this data as I'm doing it? You can use the paste or maybe you can actually paste it like just control V, whatever option suits you. Like you can even do this text here. The data is pasted in the Excel, but we have the bullets here. We have the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and all the numbers. So what exactly we want to do is we want to extract these text without these numbers and without these bullets. So it should be something like this: DM FM FF and DW and DF, right? Now you might be thinking that it's seems quite easy. Maybe you like to use some formula, like you can use substitute formula, and you can replace the numbers like this text, and the text would be 1, and then it has to be replaced with space. So you can think of doing it, and so what happens is that then you'll have to write this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 every time, and it's gonna be long formula, right? Anyways, you can watch my video on this substitute formula, how to extract text from a alphanumeric number, right? That alphanumeric value, right? So if you have some value here like this, and you want that the output should only be the text, SFD SF, or you have some number like my name, and you want that it should be like this, you want to develop some formula. So watch that video on the substitute. It actually check in the Excel VBA all in one go. I'll upload that video in this playlist as well, but you can check here Excel VBA and all in one go, and yeah. So here you can see the video number 5. This is in the VBA Excel VBA playlist, but I'll add this video over here as well. So that's called the extract text from alphanumeric. So you can watch this video, and you'll come to know that this substitute formula is so powerful, right? All right, just for your information. So you might be thinking that you can use the substitute formula, and then you can use even the all the stuff that you can control H you can use, and you can do this kind of a stuff, you can replace these numbers, replace 1, and then 1 is going to be replaced, and then 2 is also going to be, you know, replaced like this, and then you can even replace the 3 like this. Okay, so wherever it is, you know, replacing these numbers, you can check here that, you know, it's actually giving you different kind of these boxes, right? So just do this all stuff, and you can record this even in a macro, right? We can even further record this in a macro. So, and it will take just a 1 second to do all this, you know. So, but right now, if you don't know the VBA, then you just have to do this stuff. So I'm going to replace all these numbers one by one, and I'm not using the substitute formula, right? I'm just simply using this Control H, and now replace again. Now it has no data. I'll also go for the 0 if it is there, so it's not there. And now this now you can see that, you know, this entire stuff is actually showing you know, something else. I don't know what it is, but that's how it is. And so now when you have this kind of a situation, just select this table and go to this data and text to column, and over here use this option, maybe fixed width. You can see next, and then you can fix this like this, put it here, and say finish, right? So that's how you can actually get this you know, separated from this kind of a data, right? And so you don't have to basically use any formula for that, because if you're thinking that, you know, I might be if I copy this data again and I paste this data here, and you might be thinking that, you know, I can actually use the trim and I can get these things removed, you know, then trim is not going to work on this, because this actually data is pasted from the your MS Word, so it is not going to remove any spaces. Like for example, I have these, you know, huge spaces, as you can see here. So you might be thinking that I will use the trim function. So let me just use this trim function. So as you can see here, I still have the space, right? I still have the space. So that's the challenge. And if you think that you can actually use the also this option, you can select this and Control H, go to the Control H, and then you can replace it with the, you know, space with the nothing, replace with. So you cannot do that either, right? So we don't have that option actually, right? So what I thought of is that you can copy this and you can simply go here and just write in here this sign, okay, and replace it with replace all. Okay, so the moment it actually replaces, you get these kind of a boxes, right? And then you can again replace with this one with replace all, and so on. You know, you keep on doing it. I keep on writing it, and this keeps on happening. And so that's how, you know, you keep on replacing these numbers. And I know it takes a time, but you can record a macro in case if you want. And this is how you can actually work on this, right? So writing all these numbers. So replace all. I will be quick now. I'll just use the shortcut key, which is Alt A. Okay, and now 8. Replace. So we are replacing all the numbers. We are assuming that it should have all the numbers. Wherever it is not, it will not find the number. It will give the, you know, that it can't find any data to replace. So that's fine. But I have tried all the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Now once I have the numbers, you see that, you know, these numbers, if I see in the formula bar, now these characters are there, but obviously it is, you know, appearing in a very, very you know, it's weird, you know, it's I don't know what language it is, right? But you can go to the text to column and you can use this fixed option, and you can put your, you know, delimiters here like this, and you can press finish. So your this entire cells will be replaced, right? And another way of doing it, if you want to record a macro, you can even record the macro. So what you can do is simply just copy this and paste this, and, you know, go to the developer tab and record the macro and record all the steps, and, you know, it will be done. You can assign a shortcut key or maybe a button, but that's not the scope of this video. But so that's it for now. And just one more thing, if in case if this is the point is coming in your mind that why to even then replace 1 2 3 4 and these kind of bullets, maybe we can try with the dat as well. I mean, without doing all these steps, we can simply go to the data and we can use this text to column option, and let's see if we'll get the rid of it or not. So go to the fixed option, and I'm gonna see that over here and over here. Yeah, so that trick will also work, and you in fact will have all the numbers separated as well, right? So this is how you can do it. So you don't even have to replace 1 2 3 4 5 and get you this time killed. So you can actually do this simply with the text to column, right? So just wanted to share this thing, because what I found good about this video is that, about this I mean to say, this exercise, that basically you have a trim function which removes the spaces. Like suppose if I write here my name and I give some spaces here, and this time if I trim it, it is going to actually remove the spaces. As you can see here, now there is no space, there's no space, but here it is space. And that's why if I check the length of this text, then I have the 4, which is correct, and this 10 because of the spaces. So you might be thinking that it can be removed with that. When you actually copy this, when you copy this data and you paste it here, you might be thinking that, okay, so we have the spaces here, so I can get this thing done with the trim. No, it is not actually, because it is a more of a formatting issue. You actually are going to copy this data from some another application, you're pasting in on the Excel, which is the another application. So that's why this trim function actually is not going to work. So it is not going to remove any space from here, right? So that's why I thought that this is a text to column trick, and so that seemed to me quite interesting, so I uploaded the video, right? So that's my email ID, and you can write me in case if you have some questions, and I will definitely go ahead and try to upload the video, right? So thank you so much, guys. And one thing more, as again I'm going to just repeat this, I have these playlists. A lot of you have asked me that where can you actually go and can find all the videos one by one. So you have these playlist. Just click on my name when you watch my videos. Just click on my name there, Ajay Kumar, and once you click on the name, you will get this option playlist in the very the front page, and on that page you just have these playlists, and you can even click on the more, and you will have the charts, pivots, advanced formatting cells, MS Access database, and all the playlists are there, right? So you don't have to basically look for the videos one by one. You can even watch them just one after one, right? Thank you so much, and have a good day. Bye bye.